Yep, still going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. There he is. Look at that. And he's right over the neighbor's house. This is why I had to get rid of this tree. Whoa. This size is frickin' tree. Right now he's saying, wow, this tree is fucking big. Holy mackerel. Look at the hole in that thing. Look at the giant hole in that tree. Whee! Here comes more help. You like being on camera. Crazy job.
It's amazing.
You know, I loved these trees when I moved in, and now I fucking hate them. See, I think a giant branch now. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, mackerel. Arriba, arriba.
Yeah, be really careful so they don't hit the house.
Yeah. Look at this.
That's why you need to hire somebody that's fully insured.
Yeah. Oh, mackerel. My arm's starting to freeze up from holding it up. Want to go for a little bit?
No.
No? There you go. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off, work we go. Crazy job. Holy mackerel. That's how they do it. It's pretty crazy. That's insane. The size of these frickin' branches. Look at this dude. This dude's crazy.